This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 49 Demonstration-XIX. In this video, you will witness demonstrations of Java networking classes focused on URL access and client-server communication, emphasizing the utilization of classes and accessing URL-related information given a URL. The URL class enables the creation of objects for accessing URL details like protocol, server name, IP, port and file, while the URL connection object establishes a connection from a specified URL location to the program for file streaming. Moving on, the helper connection class follows the HTTP protocol, allowing the creation of a URL object specifying a location, opening a connection via helper connection, and reading the document along with header information, provided the connection is successful. Next, the init address class and its methods are explained, demonstrating how to obtain the IP address and hostname of a URL, and setting the stage for discussions on connection-oriented and connectionless protocols like TCP and UDP. The video then delves in the UDP protocol using datagram socket and datagram packet, where a server socket waits to receive requests from clients, processes them, and responds accordingly, while a client socket creates and sends a datagram packet with a message to the server's address and port. Building upon the previous concept, the video showcases a continuous dialogue message exchange using the UDP protocol, where both the client and server can send messages until a bye message is sent to terminate communication. Transitioning to the TCP protocol, the video explains its implementation using server socket and socket, where a server socket accepts a connection request from a client, creates a socket object for communication, reads messages sent by the client through an input stream, and prints them. Continuing with TCP, a dialog message exchange is demonstrated, where client and server sockets establish a dialog for message exchange, with the server accepting client socket connections, reading and outputting messages, and the process continuing until both parties send a stop message. The video then showcases a concurrent server implementation, where the server responds to requests from any client, handling them concurrently, with client requests including getting the date, time, and sending messages to the server, and the server processing requests and sending appropriate responses. In conclusion, the key takeaways from this video include Java networking allowing access to remote data and resources, the limitations of the HTTP protocol leading to unsuccessful connections, init address retrieving IP and hostname for a given URL, UDP enabling connectionless exchange of datagram images, TCP facilitating two-way client-server dialogue communication, and concurrent servers handling multiple client connections. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.